Hey guys, welcome back to Claudiecooks channel. Forget boring barbecue chicken. Today we are bringing the island vibes right to your kitchen. We are talking juicy marinated Caribbean chicken thighs with a charred tropical salsa. That is absolutely summer in a bowl. It's light, it's vibrant, and you can whip this up on a Tuesday night in under 30 minutes. Let's get into it. Woo! Today we're making some Caribbean chicken thighs and some tropical salsa, and I'm using some skin on thighs so we can get a nice crispiness to it, and we're going to hit it with some honey lime, pimento, generous spoonful of my homemade grease seasoning, so go check that out, and that's where the magic is going to happen. Let's get seasoning. In with some oil to a washed chicken. All of the ingredients, you can check them out in the description box. Pimento, crushed pimento. Some homemade jerk seasoning. Salt. We're using the smoked paprika for extra bit of smokiness alongside our liquid smoke. And I'm just going to put a dash onto that. Time to massage all this goodness into our chicken thighs. And once you've massaged it in really well, we're going to set that aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or you can leave it overnight for more enhanced flavor. Under the skin and around everywhere. As you can see, the seasoning is sticking to the chicken, and that's what we're looking for. In the fridge with a cover for about 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, get that pan very hot. We want those beautiful charred marks. So yes, it has to be very hot. And we're going to cook them for about 6 to 8 minutes or until they're fully cooked through. Let's get into the salsa, but we're going to char them first in a hot pan. Very nice ripe mango, and we're going to dice them into little cubes. Let's add the charred pineapple, and I did that just to bring out the sweetness a bit. In that goes. Let's chop the rest of the ingredients. Hint of Scotch bonnet or chili flakes, pinch of black pepper, and a good mixy. Let's give this a taste. Perfect. Let's check on our chicken. Our chicken is done. I'm gonna plate up. The salsa on this is just going to keep it fresh and just what we need for the summertime. Absolutely works brilliantly. Guys, look at the char on that. You know it's going to be tasty. And look at the pop of colors, screaming summer. It's fresh, it's healthy, and it's a pure summer vibe in my opinion. If you love this, you are going to love my potato salad coming up in the beginning of July. This is the perfect accompaniment for this. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any of Claudiecooks video. See you in the next video. Woo-hoo! Let's do a quick taste test. Look at that. Wow, that looks like it's been done on the barbecue. Wow, look at that. This tastes amazing. It tastes like it's been done on the barbecue. It's juicy and the skin has a little bit of a crisp on it. Flavorful and summery. Let's taste some of this. Oh my gosh. This works perfectly. Please try it out. And I'll see you in the next video.
Claudiecooks bring sunshine into your life with some love.